everyone, today we'll be going over a spatial processing scenario with stream data where incoming points will be joined with another dataset based on location. With FME, we can enhance our incoming stream data before writing to disk to save on time, storage space, and processing workloads. In this scenario, we will be reading air quality sensor data, creating point geometries from the JSON payload, performing a point on polygon overlay to know which regional district of British Columbia each point falls within, and then we would join those attributes together, and lastly, cleaning up the data before writing to a spatial database. And let's jump into the demo now. So we're starting off for Workspace by connecting to our AWS IoT message broker. I've set it to batch mode for now, just so we can have access to some feature caches, but when actually running it, we will set it to stream mode. So those stream messages contain a JSON payload, which is parsed with our JSON flattener to create separate attributes for those key value pairs, including a couple of attributes for latitude and longitude for each of these points. We use a vertex creator to create those point geometries, and we assign them to their designated coordinate system. And then we have our polygons for the BC province with regions. And we want to be joining our points to these regions to include a few of these attributes on those stream features. So in order to perform that spatial join, we first need to reproject the two datasets to the same coordinate system, and we've done that by reprojecting it to UTM zone 10, UTM 83 zone 10. And then we have our point on area overlayer to perform the spatial join. One thing to note is that order matters in this workflow because we always want to make sure that our stream features have something to join against. So we have areas first set to yes, and this guarantees that these features will arrive in the transformer first, and the stream features will always have something to join on. And then lastly, we have the attribute manager and the string case changer to do some housekeeping just before writing to our PostGIS database, including reordering our attributes, renaming anything, and removing unnecessary attributes. And then we write out to our PostGIS database. So now we're going to be running this in stream mode. So we go into our IoT connector, switch to stream, and then we will rerun the workspace.